How to activate Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can activate Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to activate Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App over here. Then just come to the home page. Now you can only activate and use Bitcoin if you have verified your identity and your Cash App account successfully. So if you haven't, you will be asked to verify whenever you're trying to purchase a Bitcoin. So you can go to the buy Bitcoin tab over here. Then you can just try to do this and then tap the next option here. And once you have done that, it will ask you to enter your phone number. So if you haven't already entered the phone number, make sure to enter your phone number and then verify your login details. Once you have done that, also make sure to verify your legal name, legal date of birth, legal addresses, and Bitcoin will get successfully activated. After you verify your account, you can deposit, you can withdraw, and do whatever else you prefer. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically activate Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.